Welcome to the Chocolate Wonderland. This is the magical machine that makes the delicious Dainty Hearts chocolate. Now you can make the most tastiest chocolate in the country. First, let's make the cocoa into a fine powder. Oh, that's wonderful. This will make the chocolate very, very smooth. Now it's time to add the extra milk and the fine cocoa to the Dainty Hearts mixture. Excellent. It's time to select your most favourite Dainty Hearts variant. Okay, let's get you a creamy, milky Dainty Hearts chocolate. Now it's time to pour the mix into the mould. Great job! You did wonderful work. Only one step to taste the delicious Dainty Hearts chocolate bar you made yourself. Let's wrap it in a beautiful purple cover. There you go. Your Dainty Hearts chocolate is ready. Enjoy!